But if you ever find yourself, try with all the games you play to let an ear to this ordinary song.
But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play,
naaalala ko pa dati nung wala ka.
Ginagawa mo. Hi ma'am. Huwag kang matakot ma'am. Huwag kang matakot ma'am. Hingi lang sana ako ng ano ma'am ba? Piso ma'am, bili lang ng tubig ma'am ba? Okay lang ma'am?
Okay ba?
Ma'am, salamat naman ma'am. Bait mo naman ma'am. Wow. Salamat ito mama.
Tubig ko, basin gihausad ka.
Okay lang ma'am?
Oo, okay ra.
Baka wala ka nang mainom ma'am.
Okay ra.
Okay lang? Salamat naman ma'am. Okay lang ma'am dito. Umupo dito ma'am. Oh, takot ma'am. Bait naman ako ma'am.
Kilala kong kaliskis mo, oy.
Bakit ikaw lang mag-isa ma'am?
Ha?
Ganda mo naman ma'am. Ganda mo naman ma'am.
Thank you.
Bakit ako lang mag-isa dito ma'am?
Nagtanong ako.
Nagtatanaw lang. Nagmuni-muni, ganyan. Salamat sa binigay mong tubig mo ma'am.
May problema.
Okay lang ma'am, kantahan kita ma'am. Haranahan ba? Haranahan.
Okay ra.
Kasi may dala naman ako gitar ma'am. Okay lang sa'yo ma'am.
Okay ra.
Okay lang. Sige mama, kantahan kita mama. Gitar yung laman nito ma'am.
Imuha na?
Oo. Pinulot ko nga dyan sa basurahan ba?
Pagitara lagi.
Sakto lang ma'am, sakto lang. Ito talaga yung libangan ko ma'am. At ito yung panghanap buhay ko rin ba? Gitar-gitar. O, kanta-kanta.
You serious?
Okay lang ma'am, kantahan kita ma'am.
bumiti ka lang sa akin at nahulog na.
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds that glow, no limousines to take you where you go.
Uy, sana all.
Kaya ka nakikilig ako. Oh my God!
But if you ever find yourself, try with all the games you play. When the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to let an ear to this ordinary song.
But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play,
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I don't even have to make you glance my way. That close eye when we just seem so absorbed. But deep inside of me is you. You give me life of what I'll do. All those years me see you through. I'll still be waiting here for you. If you have time, please lend an ear to this ordinary song.
This beautiful life, beautiful day, 미치도록 beautiful life, beautiful day. 너를 잊고 싶지 않아.
Yun po yun, ma'am. Maraming salamat, ma'am.
Main lang,
Okay lang.
masadta. Main lang,
Okay lang.
masadta.
Okay lang.
Wow!
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Yo,
Salamat, ma'am. Napasaya kita sa konting harana ko, ma'am.
ikilig jud ko.
Oh my God!
Salamat. At salamat, ma'am, sa binigay mong tubig, mama, kasi ang bayad mo, ma'am. Sana napasaya kita ngayong araw, mama.
Happy jud kay ko.
Yun lang po yun, ma'am, at alis na ako, ma'am.
Sige.
Thank you.
Ingat ka.
Oo. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, lend an ear to this ordinary song.
A few moments later.
Ma'am. Nagbuhat na big video, ma'am. Okay naman man i-upload naman sa YouTube, ma'am. Nag-Facebook, ma'am. Nanong kamera ako.
Vlogger man sa to.
Ha? Vlogger? Kaya sa'yo page mo, ma'am?
Kanyo, Miss Rose Vlog.
Miss Rose Vlog. Dahil yung kanday channel dahil. Sige, ma'am. Orat na, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am. Oo. Aysak, ma'am.
So what's up mga idol, no? O danita mo og quality na ligid o ubang pang parts sa motor ay mo sa Adam Cycle Parts. Ang Adam Cycle Parts mga idol ay located din siya sa Consolacion, Cebu City, near at Jollibee. Kung sa panigurat mga idol, visit na sa Adam Cycle
Or
Parts.
look for Mr. Marlon Dikdikan, the owner of Adam Cycle Parts.